1501 species in genus Senecio. February 22nd. Senecio, the groundsel, represents February 22nd. Senecio symbolizes resilience and adaptability. You are able to thrive in any situation, showing remarkable flexibility and strength. Like its diverse species, you can flourish in a variety of environments, bringing color and energy to everything you touch. Your ability to overcome challenges and remain vibrant makes you a beacon of positivity for those around you. Senecio, a world of diversity. I've always been fascinated by the sheer variety in the plant world. From towering redwoods to tiny mosses, the diversity of life never ceases to amaze me. Lately, I've been particularly drawn to the genus Senecio, a massive group of plants within the daisy family, Asteraceae. With over 1,500 species scattered across the globe, Senecio offers a stunning array of forms, from humble wildflowers to striking succulents. A name with history, the name Senecio itself is intriguing. Derived from the Latin word senex, meaning old man. It refers to the fluffy white seed heads that many species develop, resembling the white hair of an elderly gentleman. This whimsical name adds a touch of personality to an already fascinating group of plants. A global citizen. One of the things that makes Senecio so captivating is its cosmopolitan distribution. These plants are found on every continent except Antarctica, thriving in a wide range of habitats, from coastal cliffs to alpine meadows. This adaptability is a testament to the resilience and evolutionary success of the genus. A diverse family. Senecio truly embodies the concept of diversity. Some species, like the common groundsel, Senecio vulgaris, are unassuming annual weeds, often found in disturbed areas. Others, like the florist cineraria, Senecio cruentus, are prized for their vibrant, daisy-like flowers in shades of blue, purple, red, and white. And then there are the succulents, a group that has captured the hearts of plant enthusiasts worldwide. Succulent sensations. The succulent Senecio species are a testament to the genus's ability to adapt and thrive in harsh environments. These plants have evolved fleshy leaves and stems to store water, allowing them to survive in arid and semi-arid regions. See full list at monsteraholic.com. More than just a pretty face. While Senecio species are often appreciated for their ornamental value, they also play important ecological roles. They provide food and habitat for a variety of insects and other animals, and some species have traditional medicinal uses. However, it's important to note that many Senecio species contain toxic compounds, so caution should be exercised when handling or consuming them. A continuing fascination. My exploration of the Senecio genus has just begun, and I'm excited to learn more about these diverse and fascinating plants. From the common weeds to the rare succulents, each species has its own unique story to tell. I encourage you to delve into the world of Senecio and discover its wonders for yourself.